Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to stop random reboots in Windows 10, those sudden restarts. First, go to Start, open Edit and Enhance System, find Advanced and Startup and Recovery. Click Settings and uncheck this box. Disable Automatic Restart and hit OK. Next, let's check the power plan. Search for power plan to adjust settings. Set processor power to minimum 5%. Click Apply and close. Two more options to try. Check for Windows updates. If it looks good like mine, no worries. Look for updates and install if needed. You can also open Task Manager. Disable unnecessary startup processes. Like this. See what I mean? Is it similar to yours? Turn off what you don't need. There. This should fix your problem. See you later.